So how much energy do you need? Well, that's a good question. The answer is different for everybody. There are basically two kinds of energy. And the first kind is the amount of energy your body uses to keep itself running while at rest. That means the energy you need to breathe, to keep your heart beating, and all the other things your body does on its own. We're going to figure out how much energy your body uses at rest, and it's going to use some math. In general, you need 1 calorie for every kilogram every hour of the day. I weigh 170 pounds, or 77 kilograms. So that means I need 1 calorie for every kilogram every hour of the day. There are 24 hours in a day, so I would need 1,848 calories. If I eat more than that, I am storing energy, which can lead to weight gain. If I eat less than that, I'm using stored energy, which can lead to weight loss. So let's look at some of the things you eat and figure out how many calories they account for.
Hi, my name's Ken. What's your name?
My name is Dana.
What are you eating today?
I'm eating a veggie burger and I'm having split pea soup.
How many calories do you think that has?
Well, I'm guesstimating maybe 400 for the burger and then maybe a couple hundred for the soup.
What are you eating today?
You know, I think I have a very healthy lunch. I'm drinking water.
What are you eating today?
Hot dog and chips and lemonade.
I've got an apple that's halfway done.
Some Cool Ranch Doritos.
100-calorie pack of Orville Redenbacher popcorn.
How many calories do you think that has?
All of it? About 100, more than 500 or something.
It's probably a total of around 500-600 calories.
Wow, I had no idea. So there's a careful balance between what we need to eat and what we should eat.
That's right, and it's going to be different for everybody.
So why do some foods have more calories than others?
Well, it depends on what they're made of.
Oh, you mean like fats and proteins and stuff?
Yes, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates are all macronutrients.
Okay.
And they each represent a different amount of energy. Do you remember what we did with the chip earlier on?
Yeah, that was cool.
Well, we're going to do the same thing here with a nut.
Do you think we'll get as much energy?
Let's see. Can you check to make sure the thermometer's on? Our glasses are on, ready to go?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. Let's make this go. It takes a little longer to get this one going, but we can do it.
It's
See,
bubbling.
it's smoldering a little. Okay, got a little flame there. Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
More importantly, can you smell it?
I could smell it.
Yeah, it smells.
It smells a lot better than the Cheetos.
It really does. Okay, so it's smelling. It's even giving off little sparks, see?
I do.
You think it's going to burn for a long time?
I think so.
Yeah, it's burning pretty well.
It's on one side.
Okay, so what does the thermometer tell you?
33, 34, and it's going up.
Okay, well, we got some smoke here. I think it's done now.
Wow, the nut gave off more energy than the chip did. That means the nut would have more calories than a chip, right?
Yeah, it could definitely mean that. Now, that happens because those nuts are very high in fat.
Fats are high in energy?
Oh, very high in energy, yes. And we got to be careful about eating them because they're hard for us to digest and they can lead to other problems too.
So where do we get our fats from?
Oh, lots of different sources. But let me show you one. The macronutrient we're going to see is an important part of our diet. Fats, or lipids as scientists call them, come in a lot of different varieties. It's easy to think that fats aren't very healthy, but they are pretty important. For one, they contain a lot of energy. And our body's insulation comes from fat. All of our cells are lined with fats, and our brains are more than 60% fat. As you can see, it's an important molecule, so let's take a look at it. Fats or lipids are long chains of carbon atoms which do not dissolve in water. But depending on the kind of fat, there can be other atoms in there too. As important as they are, we have to be careful about too much of a good thing, you know? Eating too many fats can lead to other problems, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or obesity. So where do our fats come from? Well, they come from a lot of places, such as butter, oil, whole milk, meats, or nuts, just to name a few.
What is this place?
This is Eli's Cheesecake. It's a dairy product. There's lots of fats in there. You want to check it out?
Yes.
All right, let's go. There you go.
Yeah.
Hi, Dana. I'm Mike.
Hi, Mike. How are you?
This is Kim.
Hi, Kim. Nice to meet you.
So tell us what you do here.
I work in the research and development department here at Eli's. I develop all the new concepts for Eli's new product lines. We launch new items all the time.
And those items would be cheesecakes, right?
Cheesecake.
Well, it looks like it's a really flavorful product.
Yes. Would you like to go make a batch?
Yes.
Let's go.
Absolutely. This is it? This is the finished product?
This is it.
This is what we were waiting for. Look at it. It's beautiful.
I plated you both a piece. So
Oh,
you
we
can
got
try it.
plated.
Thank you.
You ready?
There you go.
This
Let
is
me know what you think.
nice and smooth all the way around.
And the